Here's the VibeX mount. We take a ball and we put it in the vise there. You can tighten it down pretty tight. Okay. And then on the stud, there's the side with the hex drive and the solid side. The hex drive is the one we put down. So we put a little bit of Loctite on there, and you just kind of get that started about a turn or so. Then you take the VibeX mount plate just like that and set it on top. And we put this nut in the driver. We go ahead and drive it all the way down. We don't have to drive it down real far, just enough so it's tight. And a lot of times there's a little bit of metal dust on here, so you can blow that off. And there's the completed piece. Okay. Now you want to do that away from the gel pads. These gel pads, once you get a piece of metal or any dirt or dust or anything on them, they get dirty very easily. So what I do is I keep them close to the edge of the workbench. I put the ball side down, and on the top of the mount here, if you line up this edge with the pads, and then you look through the hole and center the hole up, that will line up. And then peel that off. Back up a little bit, bud. And then do the same thing on this side. Set that on there. Then we take our plate. See, the ball side is up. We take our plate, and I take it, I pinch the corners with my fingers. That way I can center it right on the mount. So that way all the top of these should line up real nicely, and in the hole everything should be centered and line up really well too. Then we flip that over and we take our gasket and we center that on there. Try to keep it right in the center. Take the palm of your hand and push that down, and that's complete. Then you can stack them all just like that on the edge of a table.